Welcome students. In our physics class, now we are going to learn the topic distance and displacement. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Distance is the actual path, the length traveled by the object, but the displacement is the difference between the final and initial position of the point. Here we have one example. Assume your school is located 2 km away from your home. In morning you are going to school and in the evening you come back home. In this entire trip, what is the distance traveled and the displacement covered? Here assume this is home and this is school. You are going 2 km in morning and the 2 km in evening. So now we calculate the distance and displacement. Here the displacement is 0 because your initial and final position is the same. You start here and you end with here. So the displacement is 0, but the distance is 2 km and 2 km. So the distance is 4 km. Another one example. An athletic covers 3 rounds on a circular track of radius 50 meter. Calculate the total distance and displacement traveled by him. Here this is the athletics round and the total distance and athletic cover, that is 3 into circumference of track. Here this is the circumference of track. Track is the circle. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So the distance is 3 into 2 pi r. The radius value is 50 meter. So the answer is 300 by meter. The distance is 300 into pi value is 3.14. So the answer is 942 meters. The displacement is also 0 because that athletics start the point and they end the point in the same position. So the displacement is 0 value. Now we see the topic relative velocity in 1 and 2 dimensional motion. When two objects A and B are moving with different velocities, then the velocity of one object A with respect to another B is called relative velocity of object A with respect to phi B. That meaning is one object is relative with other object. Here there are 3 cases. One case are two objects are in same track, that is same velocity. Second case is the objects are two track, that is opposite with one another. And third case is one angle and another angles that have some angles. Here the first case, two objects A and B moving with uniform velocity and same direction. So the relative velocity of object A with respect to B, that value is VAB equal VA minus B. Suppose the relative velocity of object B with A, that value is VBA equal VB minus VA. Here two objects are opposite. So VB is opposite to VA. So the relative velocity of A, that formula, and relative velocity of B, that is formula. Here VB, that have minus VB. Here VBA equal minus VBA. Minus VBA indicate the VBA is opposite to VA. In third case, that angle is 3 types of angle. The angle values 0 degree and 180 degree and 90 degree. Here the formula of magnitude and direction. That formula, suppose the relative velocity of A with B, that angle is, suppose theta value is 0 degree, cos 0 value is 0. So we have root of VA square plus VB square. The square and root are cancelled. So VAB and VBA formula, and suppose the theta value is 180 degree, VAB and VBA formula. Suppose the theta value is 90 degree, That is, the theta value is 90 degree. That formula is 1. So VAB equal root of VA square plus VB square. Here the rain is fall and the man held the umbrella in opposite direction of rainfall. So the relative velocity of rain with respect to person is Vrm equal Vr minus Vm is the magnitude and direction formula. And in order to save himself from the rain, he should hold an umbrella at an theta angle in the vertical direction.